over this here, Mom?
Yes!
This is one of the best radio channels in all of Europe. Actually, this is one of the best radio channels anywhere in the world.
So happy that my mom is here with us, and I'm excited for today. The drive is so beautiful. It's one of the best freeways, really.
You know, speaking of the drive, are you going to be okay with the German Autobahn?
I'm not sure. My switch.
So those are the mountains that we have to go up and over, and once we're on the other side, we will be in Germany.
I actually grew up on those mountains and I love them. And for me, the feeling that the West is behind the mountains was always something so fascinating to me.
It's kind of like a symbol of hope.
It was kind of like a symbol of hope, yes.
Little sign right there means we are entering Germany. We're on the German Autobahn now, and maybe normally we'd be able to do unlimited speed, but anytime you go into the construction areas, you have to slow down. And they take that very seriously. And when you see this gray sign with the little black diagonal line, that means you can go as fast as you want. So for sure, the last time we were here, that Ferris wheel, that wasn't here.
So right now we are in Zwinger. Zwinger actually means a block of multiple castles. And it's a museum, it's from the Baroque times. It's a perfect place to take a break from the busy city and just relax. Right here, it's called Hofkirche. It was badly damaged in 1945 in the Second World War, and it took ages to rebuild it.
So if you haven't had your share of European statues, come to Dresden, you'll find a few.
So we are coming up to our favorite area in Dresden. We love the tree section over there. Kids always play, and let's go for the name of the river?
Yeah.
What is it?
Elbe.
The river Elbe, or in Czech you can say Labe.
Labe.
This is the main church of Dresden. It's called Frauenkirche, or Our Lady of Church, and it's been also destroyed in war. All these 40 years, the ruins actually remained right here, untouched. We are not really sure, but we think these are the remains of the old church right here.
out first. Look at that thing, Alex. How's that look?
Really yummy.
Alright. Take your first bite. Let me know.
Ow, it's hot.
It's really hot. You liking it?
Yummy.
We're going to go across the bridge to the other side. We want to try to get a little bit of drone work. The laws in Germany are a little bit confusing with where we can fly and where we can't. So we're not going to obviously fly right in the city center. We're hoping that if we go across the river, at least that way, there's not going to be a lot of people. Cross our fingers.
I have to say we've never been on this side of Dresden, but it looks pretty neat. People here just chilling, laying on the blanket, sun tanning, and enjoying the beautiful background of the city. One thing I really love about Dresden, it's a very calming city. I mean, for a city, it feels always very relaxing. Don't you agree when we come here?
Actually, I think we're the loudest people here.
Probably. Where are we going now?
To our favorite. Yeah. To our favorite park.
Favorite playground, right?
Yeah.